So if you are among those people who constantly watch Bollywood movies and wonder why they turn out so good, then this is the man. You should be starting with Jai Shri Ram. And if you are a Jai Shri Ram fan, you follow Ramayan, and you want to see one of the best Bollywood movies which is going to come very soon, and the person who has created all the VFX behind it with his team, here is the guy Angel from Bulgaria, who has worked hard tirelessly to recreate Ramayana for all of us. Today we are discussing the story of Angel, who came all the way from Bulgaria to India, and I want to discuss how complete smile makeover was accomplished to him in less than 3 visits. Let's discuss directly with the star of the day.
Yes, I work in the film industry, Bollywood films. She said, you have great worldwide reputation. She said this is the place we can trust them. They're great professionals. So I wasn't thinking about this, I have a lot of work, but she really recommended I come. So yeah, I'm very glad I listened to my wife. Because after everything I did here, I'm super happy with the results. It really changed me. Everyone around me is noticing my complete makeover.
Feel free to connect with us, and our team will be happy to help you as well. Till next time, thank you very much.